Welcome to Portal 7. AI is revolutionizing product photoshoots by cutting time and boosting creativity. With AI, every shot is optimized for impact, making marketing faster, more efficient, and visually stunning, without sacrificing quality or imagination. In this video we will explore Claid AI that can generate endless product scenes from a single image with AI Photoshoot. No studio, no photographers, but you can generate many campaign-ready visuals from one product image. On Claid AI dashboard you can see various AI tools to edit your product image. You can also use templates to work much faster. Click on Editing Studio. And you will see all AI tools to edit your image. In this video I will explore AI Photoshoot tools. Click on AI Photoshoot. Here you can upload or drag and drop your image. At left side you have editing tools. Auto remove background can be on/off. Below you have multiple image ratio option. Here you have 5 generation modes. And then you have prompt box to make changes with AI. First let's try precise mode. Precise mode keeps your product's angle and placement fixed for clean editorial shots. Here I will upload an image. Auto remove background is on, so it's removing background. Now you transform its size. Aspect ratio I will set 16:9. In prompt box you can see, Prompt Assistant already made a prompt. You can modify it or you can write it yourself. In prompt it's making a bathroom background, but I want to change. Click on Prompt Assistant. Here I will type garden and cloudy mood. Now it will modify background in main prompt. Now select image quantity to make. I will set 2 image here. Click on Apply Operation. Now it's processing. Within few seconds images are ready. You can access it on right side creation panel. And you can see the result. Isn't it amazing? You can download it in various formats. Now let's try creative mode. Creative mode reimagines the entire scene, letting you experiment with new angles, environments, and storytelling. Here I will upload this lipstick product image. After removing background, adjust its size and place. Aspect ratio is same 16:9. Creative mode is selected. Now type your prompt. Prompt looks okay. Select image quantity and click on Apply Operation. And you can see the magic. A model is holding your product. You can even make a short video here. Click on Animate. Check video prompt. Select duration. Click on Apply Operation. Within few seconds video is ready. You can download it and use it as product ad. Let's try one more example in creative mode. This time I am uploading this lady's wear. And you can see a model is wearing this dress. So you don't need a model for photoshoot. Claid AI made it just one-click task. Now we will try inspiration mode. Inspiration mode follows the look and feel of a reference image to match a specific mood or campaign. Here I have uploaded a product image. Set aspect ratio. Now pick an inspiration image. Now set image quantity. Click on Apply operation. Within few seconds images are ready. As you can see, it took same environment as inspiration image and placed our product beautifully. Next is background mode. Background mode swap only the backdrop while preserving the original photo. Here I have uploaded this product image. Mode set to background. Now select an image for background. Click on Apply operation. And within few seconds image is ready with a beautiful background. Now let's try product swap mode. Product swap keeps the whole scene intact but replace the product inside it. Here I have uploaded this bag image. Now click on Product Swap. Upload a mock-up image. Click on Apply operation. And within few seconds image is ready. As you can see, mock-up image product is swapped with our product. You can compare it with original image. Here you see Claid AI pricing. Compare plans and you can buy as your needs. If you buy any plan, then to get extra 10% off, use promo code PORTAL7. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.